In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital clock in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and useful trick that lets you display the current time directly inside your worksheet. It's great for dashboards, demos, or any spreadsheet where you want a live time display. The setup is very easy, and once you understand how it works, you can customize the look of the clock to fit your sheet. To begin, select the cell where you want the digital clock to appear. For example, you can click cell B2, but you can use any cell you prefer. Try to choose a spot where the clock will be easy to see, especially if you plan to use it as part of a larger worksheet layout. Once the cell is selected, type the formula equals now. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, then press enter. This formula tells Excel to return the current date and time based on your computer's system clock. Right away, you'll notice that Excel may show both the date and the time in the cell. That's completely normal because the now function includes both pieces of information. Next, you'll format the cell so it displays only the time, which makes it look more like a digital clock. Select the same cell again, then go to the Home tab. In the number group, click the Number Format drop-down list and choose Time. If you want more control over how the clock appears, you can also choose more number formats and apply a custom time format. This is especially helpful if you want a cleaner digital style display, such as hours, minutes, and seconds. At this point, your clock is created, but it's important to understand one detail. The time won't update every second automatically like a real standalone clock unless the worksheet recalculates. Excel refreshes formulas like now when recalculation happens, so the displayed time updates during those moments. If you want to refresh the clock manually, simply press F9. That forces Excel to recalculate the worksheet and update the current time shown in your clock cell. This is the easiest way to make sure the displayed time stays current while you're working. And that's all it takes to create a digital clock in Microsoft Excel. Just pick a cell, enter the now formula, format it as time, and press F9 whenever you want to refresh it. If you want the clock to stand out more, you can also adjust the font size, alignment, or cell styling after setting it up, so it looks more like a real digital display in your worksheet.